What's happening, everyone? This is Spanky's Games. Open up some Kaldheim, whatever, magic. This one is a request from a friend that I cracked this on the channel. Not too invested in this set. It looked interesting when it first came out. I drafted a little bit of it on Arena. Had some fun with it. Did blue-red dragons. No, not dragons. There's no dragons here. Giants. And had fun with it, but it's not the best set in the world. But there are some cool chase cards. That phyrexian Vorniclix is definitely the big chase. Followed up by a couple of the gods. I have seen a couple people stabby on camera. I have seen a couple people pull god boxes. We can only hope. I don't know if that's true for the set packs or if that was only in certain products. Either way, we're gonna get into it. Hopefully we pull some heat, some fire. That's what we do. We like to do it. We have fun doing it. What's everybody think about all the new trading card rage? Even cards from like 1990, the Deadpool cards are getting stupid money now. Digimon and Dragon Ball Z. Which Dragon Ball Z I'm kind of excited about because I really love Dragon Ball Z. I always have. Let's see. Token on the back. So set boosters are guaranteed foil and guaranteed art card in every pack. So we'll show that off real quick. Pretty cool. I'm not even used to the names. An Augury Raven and a Raven form, back to back. Carfell Harbinger, Depart the Realm, Mistwalker, Shimmerdraft Veil, Spirit of the Elderguard, Boreal Outrider, and the first rare is Calamity Bearer. Pretty cool. Oh, and a foil Finn the Fang Bearer. Not foil, sorry. Just that border art, which is cool. I can't blanking on the name of it right now. I don't know why. And first foil is Depart the Realm. So, not bad. I'm not even gonna separate these. I'm just gonna stack them. Unless I get that Vorniclix. Oh, that pack was set up weird. Okay, so it wasn't just me. The art card. Snow-covered Swamp, Guardian Gladewalker, King Harold's Revenge, Horizon Seeker, Grizzly Outrider, Eldercalf Mentor, Roots of Wisdom, Gilded Assault Cart. Thought it was going to be straight green for the whole pack. Forging the Tyrate Sword. First rare is Crippling Fear, followed up by a Frost Augur, and a foil Vault Robber. Oh, and we got a list. Cool. That's from the list. Cool tutor. Pretty neat. Any tutors are always accepted here. Where did my sleeves go? There. So yeah, I kind of like that Magic is doing the list. Get a chance to get older cards. I gotta look that up because I don't remember how much it is, but usually they're pretty crap. But yeah, I'm just gonna bomb through the commons and uncommons. Tyrate Sanctum, Vega the Watcher, the Owl, and a foil Mammoth Growth. Token on the back. It's pretty cool. 2 packs in, got one of the list cards. foil snow-covered swamp, frostbite, bunch of commons, at least 4 commons, uncommon, 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 and bearers of Litjara, Shimmer Draft Veil, and a Craven Hulk. Card. First Mythic, Kaldheim Unleashed, followed by Marite of the Foss, foil rare Mystic Reflection, and an Obilet. Another list. Pretty cool. I wish the Obilet they did was from, you know, the OG sets, but I think the Double Masters one too. That's pretty cool though. 2 list cards and 4 packs, 5 packs. Just give me a second. Sorry about that. Poison the Cup, Blood Sky Berserker, Vengeful Reaper, and Toski, Bearer of Secrets, Bergstrider, and a foil Giant Ox. Oh, cool. Got a signed art card. It's obviously not signed. It's, well, maybe it is signed. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. But that's pretty cool. Blood on the Snow is the rare. Narfi, Betrayer King, and Carfell Harbinger. That's pretty nifty. Wonder if I think it's just mass signed. It's got to be just mass signed. I don't think they would actually have artists come in and sign all these cards. But I'll sleeve it, no matter what. Mystic Reflection. Ooh, double rare pack. Cosima, God of the Voyage. Inga Rune Eyes, and foil Duskwielder. Not too shabby so far. Excuse me. I have my table set lower than I normally do, so I'm leaning forward and my back is killing me. Sulphurous Mire. There's Litjara again. Frostbite. And foil Immersturm Skullcarn. Got a Reckless Crew. Oh, Mythic Toroth, God of Fury. Icebine Pillar and Strategic Planning. Second Mythic of the box. It's one of the gods. And it's a flip god. Pretty nifty. Throw that in a sleeve. So what does everybody think about the bannings? Recent bannings. Euro is gone. Bye-bye. Search for Glory. Nafi Betrayer King. Demon Bolt. And Token. Euro is gone. Mystic Sanctuary is gone. Which I couldn't be more happy about. even though I stopped playing MTGO, and that's what Mystic Sanctuary was a real kind of pain in the ass. On Arena, though, I'm getting rid of Euro, kind of screws a couple of my decks. Reflections of Lijara, Egon, God of Death, Frost Peak Yeti, Dispara Sentinel, and Nightshade Peddler for a list card. It's pretty cool. I've gotten 3 list cards so far. It's not bad. None of the big ones. I think there's a Cavernous Holes in here too. Well, not, I mean, maybe in this box. Hopefully in this box. Oh, that's what I wanted to show. I wonder if I got it. Sorry, just taking a quick little break to rest my back a little bit. I wanted to show off a couple of the Pokemon cards that I've gotten these past couple weeks here. First off is my Squirtle. That's the McDonald's promo. No, I did not go and get Happy Meals. I actually traded for it. I probably over-traded for it, but that's okay. Because Squirtle is my dude, as we all know. And then I got this one. The Band Misty's Tears. Dirty card. Dirty. And I got some other cool stuff too. Got a couple Pokemon coins from back in the day. Aluminum coins or tin coins or whatever. A Doug Trio and Butterfree. So it was pretty cool. Anyway, back to Kaldheim. Foil Snow-Covered Plains. Roof Realm Eater, Blizzard Brawl, and Foil Iron Verdict. Sealing the pack out. Top of the pack, Iron Verdict. Back of the pack, Foil Iron Verdict. The verdict has been given. I got really excited for a second. I saw Icy Ma, and I was like, Icy Manipulator? Really? But it's not. It's just a math. Fearless Haven for the rare. Herald King of Skemfar. And a foil Nico Defies Destiny. Defy that destiny. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Yes, I know I said I was going to be doing my lightsaber review. I will be doing that. Cosmos Elixir. Tibalt's Trickery, which just got banned in Modern, I believe. Pilfering Hawk. Foil Raven Wings, and that's it. Tibalt's Trickery, that deck is just ridiculous. The win rate is so low, but it's turn 2 or turn 3 every time it wins. And just stupid things happen. Stupid things. Now, I did make the deck on Arena, because I had to, because it was fun. Crippling Fear. Another rare. Jorn, God of Winter. Priest of the Haunted Edge. And a foil Open the Omen Path. Yeah, I did the Trickery Ugin's construct with the Olamog. It's fun dropping an Olamog turn 2, I'm not even gonna lie. And that's coming from a Tron player who, hey, Vonaclick's nice. Very nice. Just the regular print, but it's Vonaclick's Monstrous Raider no matter what. So I'll take it. Ice-Side Troll and foil Vengeful Reaper. Vonaclick's gets a sleeve. Wish it was the foil phyrexian language one, but I can't be too biggie. Can't be too biggie. Can't be too picky. What's happening here? What is going on with this box? Jesus. Alright. Alright, that's just not gonna work. We're gonna put those there. And take these out. Put them there. Alrighty. We do things on the fly here. Fury's Retribution for the rare. A double rare, Cleaving Reaper. Nice, I love the double rare packs. It's pretty cool. And a foil Raise the Dead. Well, Raise the Jogger. So, double rare, but nothing spectacular. I don't remember what I was saying before that box decided to mess up. Something about lightsabers. It'll happen. The Raven's Warning, Shimmer Draft Veil, Disdainful Stroke, and Relentless Rats as a list card. I do like getting the list cards. It could be better, but let's see. Where's this from? This is from 10th. Yeah, Relentless Rats is kind of a beast of a card, I'm not even gonna lie about it. Rat decks. Black rat decks. We'll mess some shit up. Ooh. Extended Art Kaya, nice. Extended Art Kaya. Very cool. Third mythic of the box, I believe. And Verdi, God of Storytelling. What's we got here? Oh, and a foil rare. Whoa. Hengate Pathway. That was quite the pack. An extended art mythic, a regular rare, and a foil rare land. Way off center. Like, bad. And I was just off camera. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that thing's cut horrible. Jesus. Yeah. Still a foil land, still gets a sleeve, but ew. Well, let's see. Quality control. Man. Where you at? Because it ain't in this box. Kaya looks alright though. A little bit off, but what are you gonna do? Ice Tunnel, Smashing Success, blah 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 blah. Whole bunch of red. Green, Immerstrom Predator. A Predator. Predator. Yeah, Predator. I know words. Shut up. Reflections of Lajara. Double rare pack. Triple rare pack. Certain Flinger. A foil Grizzled Outrider. And a Warm Power Stone from Urza's. That's cool. That's very cool. That was a smoking pack too. There's a couple real hot packs in here. It's a shame that I didn't get the Cabinet of Souls, but you know, there's still 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs left. It could happen. It could happen. I am gonna blow through these because I'm getting towards that 20-minute mark and my phone doesn't like to do. Oh, Battle Mammoth Extended Art Mythic. Damn. Coley the Forge Master. Drago Recruiter. Nice. I am gonna sleeve these after. I just want to blow through these last 2 packs because the less editing I have to do, the better for me. Herald Unities of Elves, Canopy Tactician, double rare, and a foil Spell Ice Shaper with the border. Nifty. Nifty. I should just say nifty. Now I know why I only have like 23 or 24 people in here. Toski Bearer of Secrets, Replicating Ring, Wings of the Cosmos, and Seething Song. from list. Another list card. Can't go wrong. See another extended art back here. Extended art Blight Step Pathway. Pretty cool. That's the black-red flip land. I like the flip lands, I really do. Pretty cool. This box has been pretty good, and I have to say, for a set that's not doing so well, it's definitely been a fun box to open, and more fun than the past few boxes that I've opened have been. So that's a plus, because I was getting pretty bummed out about some of the crap boxes I was ripping. Doomscar, Bergstrider, Broken Wings. That's it. 4 packs left. See if I can do it before 25 minutes. Let's see. Dream Devourer. It's a sick card. Double rare. Magda Brazen Outlaw. Aguirre the Freezing Flame. Axguard Braggot for the foil. And a Nixo Shrine to Nyx. That is a good hit. That's going to slow me down for a second so I can sleeve it. I don't know if the list card goes for as much as the original, but that is a dope land. Awesome. Yep, digging the cards coming out of this box. Sure. For sure. What do we got? Snow-Covered Plains. Blood Sky Massacre, Grimjogger, Shimmer Fail for the foil, nothing out the back. Last 2 packs to crack. Can we get the Cavern of Souls? I'm gonna feel like a real idiot if Cavern of Souls isn't in this as from the list. I'm pretty sure it is, but Cosmos Charger, Glittering Frost, With a Crown, and Liliana's Devotee, also from the list. That's what I meant. That's from M21, so it's really not that old. But the list has been pretty cool for cards. Last pack to crack, last pack magic. Here we go. Raven Wings, Rider's Crave, Giant Ox, Revitalize, Doomscar Oracle, Frostpire Arcanist, Glimpse the Cosmos, Agar the Freezing Flame, Realmwalker for the rare, Maja Bredegard Protector, foil rare, the Bears of Lijara. Pretty sure that's the 3rd foil rare from this box, and nothing out the back. So, pretty sick box, not even gonna lie. Got a whole bunch of list cards, Liliana's Devotee, got the full art Blight Step Pathway, that's just an art card. Seething Song from the list. Battleman with full art. The Nithros Shrine to Nyx. The Warren Power Stone from the list. Kaya the Inexorable. Full art. Hen's Gate Pathway foil off center. Relentless Rats from the list. Vorniclex Monstrous Rider. Dope card. Nightshade Peddler from the list. Toraf God of Fury. Mythic God. The signed art card. Obelette. And Cruel Tutor. So some sick pulls from that box. I'm at 24 minutes, 29 seconds. So I'll wrap this up quickly. Thank you guys for so much support and all the love that everybody's been sending me. I'm going to continue to do this regardless of the market for TCGs. I am going to do my lightsabers at some point. It will be done. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to set it up because I am going to be on camera for it. So I got to look pretty for you. Yeah, that's about it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Please, please, please. It helps me so much. You guys are fantastic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.